Ugh, long day don't be today.
Oh no, I'm going to elbow.
Yeah, long day. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get our guns. Okay, let's get our guns. Okay, he's going to the doctor's now.
Are you out my cave?
No more, just go. No, I got it. Can you get your gun? I feel so bad to that person. That's close. Wee, I got the gun. Wee, double. I just love the song. Grab it. Mommy, go. And do you? Maybe not. People are keeping me.
No.
Okay, we have to move them up there. Wow, you're like a kitty cat. Wow, you're like a kitty cat. Okay. You ready? I'm ready. Okay, let's fight. Get ready.
Then I draw.
Fight. I see him. He's right over there.
I fight gun. No, get up.
Oh, nope. What's the chainsaws? Get away.
I'm killing him.
Alright, so.
I'm killing everybody. Get. I'm dead. Help.
Don't kill me. Oh my god.
You knuckle gremlin. Please stop. Stop acting like a grown-up.
You're really fat. Don't stop me. Please, don't leave me.
I'm Robert. I see you. I see you. Help. I see you. I see you. You're in your spell gun. Again.
Get on the bed. Please, no. Oh no. You're really fat.
Where are you?
Did you
I see your boyfriend.
Actually, you're only be dead.
I see you.
I think he's knocked out for a while. Let's take him to the facility.
Oh, okay.
But,
Yeah.
wait. But, you have to stay here. Okay? I know you're the army, but you have to stay here for the facility, man.
Oh, I see your cell phone. I see your blue cell phone bomb coming.
So stay here. Okay.
I see you.
No, take him. Okay. We're on.
Where are we going?
I don't know why I started, but we're gonna go to the facility. You better be good there.
Okay.
Yeah, she's still knocked out.
What the heck? Okay.
Oh, not anymore. What can we do?
I dropped.
Yeah.
Horse, I'm coming. Get your air back up. I got that tree.
Whoa.
Square pipe.
I don't care if I go in the ocean, even when there's nothing in the ocean.
I got good boys.
Oh no, he don't have breakfast. Yeah. Don't ever murder me. So I left my gun. Yeah. Oh, wait. Do you have spare guns, right? Huh? Yeah, you don't want to be knocked out too. Give me.
Boys, I'm coming.
You have the
Oh, you got him.
the worst day ever.
Good job.
Okay, I think he's knocked out for a while.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Boys, second. Second.
Knockout.
Go.
Still alive. Yeah. Why are you destroying shit?
No. Wait, go. Where are you? Bye. Oh, what? I need to come to you right now.